Andersen rang the opening bell earlier to celebrate its IPO here at the New York Stock Exchange. And I do want to send things down to the trading floor where Ashley Masternardi is standing by with a very special guest. Ashley, good morning.
Good morning, Kristen. Andersen says they don't want to be the biggest firm in the world. They want to be the best, and they are one step closer today as they IPO on the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me now is the man who made it all happen, their chairman and CEO, Mark Vorsatz. Mark, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you, Ashley. It's an honor and privilege to be here with you.
So today is IPO day. You said you've been involved in other IPOs, but it's very different when it's your own company. How does it feel to IPO today on the New York Stock Exchange?
I would say, it's been a collective effort on the group of our partners, and I think everybody's very energized about it. It's another building block in the strategy that we're pursuing to achieve our potential as a group of professionals.
All right, and Andersen provides tax valuation and financial advisory services. Can you talk about what else you're providing for customers, and who are your customers?
So I would say our customers are, for the most part, are high net worth individuals, family businesses, but we also do corporate work. We do work for funds. We do a variety of work. We're expanding our platform. We have an international network where we have a large legal platform. We have a large valuation platform. We have just started a consulting practice, as you're probably familiar. Andersen Consulting was the predecessor to Accenture. It was simply a name change. We launched Andersen Consulting last summer. We have very ambitious goals about the multi-dimensional nature of our business.
Why did you decide to go public now?
We're seeing a lot of consolidation in the industry. We started these discussions internally about 2.5 years ago, and we felt that status quo was not a solution for us, that we needed to do some things differently, and we needed access to capital. But the partners wanted to control the operations of the company, which is why we chose not to pursue private equity, and we thought that an IPO was an excellent solution for that.
All right, and you spoke in the boardroom a lot about Andersen's culture. What stands out to you about it?
I would say it's the attitude that we have about our people. Primary motivation for doing this is to make this a better place for the next generation. Stewardship is kind of a guiding principle for us. I would say it's very embedded in how we go about things. So if I were to step back and say, what's the greatest asset we have? It's our people. We're in a people business, and the culture and nurturing those people is really a key component of why I think we've been reasonably successful.
You started out as Wealth and Tax Advisory Services, or WTAS. You are Andersen today. Can you talk about your journey to today?
Sure. Well, we started in 2013 at building an international network. We felt for us to achieve our potential as a group of professionals, we couldn't just be a U.S.-only firm. So we've actually built out affiliates now. I believe we not only have the largest professional service platform through affiliates, but the largest of any company. So we're in over 180 countries. We have over 1,000 offices. We've now built it out to where we have over 53,000 people. And we hope that many of those groups will join us now that we're public in integrating into the public company. So we really are excited about, this is just the first step in the journey as to what we think we can achieve as a group.
All right, Mark Vorsatz, Andersen Chairman and CEO, thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange. Kristen, always an exciting morning during IPO days here on the floor. I'm going to send things back to you.
Ashley, great job. Yes, great to hear, of course, from Andersen's CEO there. That company raising $176 million after pricing its IPO last night at the high end of the range at $16 apiece.